Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because you're about to dive into something truly extraordinary. Today, we're going to talk about a groundbreaking development in the world of technology, one that is poised to change the landscape of artificial intelligence forever. I'm talking about the unveiling of Nvidia's Nemotron Ultra. Now, I know you're probably thinking, what makes this so special? Isn't AI just getting better and better with every passing year? And while that's true, what Nvidia has done with Nemotron Ultra is truly a game changer. Let me take you back a bit before we dive deep into the tech. Imagine it's the late 90s. You're sitting in front of an old CRT computer monitor, your dial-up connection making that distinct, frustrating sound as it connects to the internet. The world is just starting to get a taste of what the internet could become, and the idea of AI? Well, that was still a concept far beyond reach for most people. Fast forward to today, and here we are, discussing technology so advanced, it feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. And yet, with the release of Nvidia's Nemotron Ultra, we've stepped into a new era of artificial intelligence that brings us closer to realizing the full potential of machines. So, why should we be excited about Nemotron Ultra? Well, for starters, this is not just another AI chip. Nvidia has raised the bar in such a way that it's not only about pushing the boundaries of performance, it's about changing how we think about AI itself. We're talking about a piece of technology that can process data at speeds and efficiency levels that were once thought to be unattainable. But let's slow down a bit and take a moment to understand exactly what makes Nemotron Ultra so special. First, let's talk about the hardware. For those of you familiar with Nvidia's history, you'll know they've been pioneers in the world of GPUs, graphics processing units, and deep learning for years. What they've done with the Nemotron Ultra is to take their expertise in graphics and massively parallel processing and bring it to AI in ways that no one has ever seen before. This new chip is built on the foundation of Nvidia's Hopper architecture, which was already a huge step forward in terms of performance. However, with the Nemotron Ultra, they've refined it to such an extent that it makes previous iterations look almost outdated in comparison. Now, to understand the significance of this, we need to take a closer look at how AI models work. Machine learning, particularly deep learning, requires an enormous amount of computational power to process the vast amounts of data needed for training. This is where GPUs have become essential. They allow parallel processing, which means that multiple computations can happen simultaneously rather than sequentially, speeding up the process dramatically. Nvidia's GPUs have been the gold standard for years, and with the Nemotron Ultra, they've taken this technology to the next level. One of the key features of the Nemotron Ultra is its ability to process and analyze data at unprecedented speeds. To put this in perspective, imagine that you're trying to train an AI to recognize objects in images. In the past, this could take days, weeks, or even months, depending on the complexity of the model and the size of the dataset. With Nemotron Ultra, however, we're talking about processing these datasets in a fraction of the time it used to take, while also ensuring that the accuracy and efficiency of the model are not compromised. But performance alone doesn't make a product revolutionary. What truly sets the Nemotron Ultra apart is the way it handles the diverse and increasingly complex demands of modern AI applications. Whether it's natural language processing, image recognition, or autonomous systems, the Nemotron Ultra is capable of handling multiple types of workloads with ease. This versatility is crucial because as AI continues to evolve, the nature of the problems we want AI to solve is becoming more varied. The Nemotron Ultra isn't just designed to excel in one specific area, it's designed to excel in many. There's another aspect of the Nemotron Ultra that has to be addressed, and that's its energy efficiency. Now, anyone who has worked with AI models knows that training these models can be incredibly power hungry. This has been one of the major challenges of scaling AI technologies: the sheer amount of energy required to run these models. With Nemotron Ultra, Nvidia has made significant strides in reducing power consumption without sacrificing performance. This is important not only from an environmental perspective, but also from a practical standpoint, especially as AI continues to be integrated into everything from self-driving cars to data centers. First off, the Nemotron Ultra uses advanced AI-specific hardware architecture to achieve remarkable performance. Nvidia's unique tensor core technology, which is optimized for AI operations like matrix multiplications, is taken to the next level in this chip. These tensor cores accelerate deep learning tasks, enabling the chip to handle complex algorithms and neural networks more efficiently than general-purpose processors or even previous generation GPUs. Another fascinating feature of the Nemotron Ultra is its scalability. This chip is designed to be modular, meaning that multiple Nemotron Ultra chips can be connected together to create supercomputing units. This opens up possibilities for massive parallel processing at unprecedented speeds. The ability to scale up as demand increases ensures that businesses, researchers, and developers can expand their operations without worrying about bottlenecks in computational power. A truly groundbreaking aspect is the self-optimizing AI models that the Nemotron Ultra can support. Unlike earlier models of AI, where fine-tuning and model retraining were required to improve performance, the Nemotron Ultra is equipped with a system that allows continuous learning. It dynamically adjusts its processing strategy based on the workload it's handling, making it an incredibly adaptive AI chip. This means that over time, it can get better and more efficient without needing constant manual interventions. The power-to-performance ratio of Nemotron Ultra is also revolutionary. Nvidia has designed it to provide industry-leading performance while consuming far less energy than any other AI hardware in the market. This is achieved through advanced power gating and thermal management technologies, making it incredibly efficient for large-scale operations that run 24/7. For industries relying on AI and machine learning, such as data centers and autonomous vehicles, this chip offers substantial savings in power costs while maintaining optimal performance. Speaking of autonomous vehicles, Nemotron Ultra could have a major impact on the autonomous driving industry. Due to its real-time processing capability, it can process sensory data from multiple sources like LiDAR, radar, and cameras simultaneously. This is crucial for self-driving cars, which require split-second decision-making to safely navigate through complex environments. With its processing power, the Nemotron Ultra ensures that AI systems can interpret and react to situations in real time, a critical feature for making autonomous vehicles safer. What's also impressive is the AI-powered code optimization feature that Nemotron Ultra supports. Traditional coding requires developers to manually optimize their code to make the most of the hardware. With Nemotron Ultra, the chip uses AI to analyze and optimize software in real time. It automatically detects bottlenecks and adjusts the computation process to ensure the best possible performance without requiring the developer to intervene. Quantum computing enthusiasts will be thrilled to know that Nvidia has also integrated some quantum-inspired techniques in the Nemotron Ultra, pushing it closer to the next frontier of computing. The chip's ability to simulate quantum processes using classical hardware is a step toward bridging the gap between classical AI and the potential of quantum computing. Lastly, Nemotron Ultra is designed with edge AI applications in mind. With the rise of IoT, Internet of Things, devices, and mobile applications that require real-time processing at the source of data collection, edge AI is becoming more important. The chip's compact design and high power efficiency allow it to be deployed in edge devices like drones, smart cameras, and mobile robots. This means that we can expect AI-powered solutions in more places, with faster and more reliable decision-making happening right where it's needed most. These additional facts give us a better understanding of the cutting-edge nature of Nvidia's Nemotron Ultra and how it's paving the way for the future of AI applications across industries. From quantum-inspired computing to real-time autonomous vehicle processing, this chip is not just leading the market, it's defining the future. Let's talk a bit about the impact this could have on the broader AI industry. The Nemotron Ultra is a milestone that will ripple through various industries. However, many businesses have struggled with the high costs and complexities associated with scaling AI models. With Nemotron Ultra, Nvidia has created a chip that is not only faster, but also more cost-efficient. This could lead to a shift in how businesses approach AI, opening up opportunities for companies of all sizes to leverage cutting-edge AI without breaking the bank. Then, there's the impact on research and development. If you've ever worked in a lab or research facility, you'll know how important it is to have access to powerful computing resources. For years, researchers have relied on high-performance computing clusters to train complex AI models, and these clusters can be incredibly expensive. With the Nemotron Ultra, Nvidia has essentially given researchers a more powerful tool at a fraction of the cost. This means that breakthroughs in AI could happen faster than ever before, leading to advancements in everything from healthcare to climate change solutions. And speaking of healthcare, let's not forget how the Nemotron Ultra could transform the medical field. AI has already shown immense promise in healthcare, from drug discovery to diagnostics. With the added processing power and efficiency that Nemotron Ultra brings, we could see significant advancements in personalized medicine, early disease detection, and more. Imagine a world where AI can process medical images with near-perfect accuracy, or where it can predict a patient's health trajectory based on a variety of factors, all in real time. With Nemotron Ultra, that world could become a reality. As you can tell, the possibilities are vast. But what does this mean for the average person? How will the release of Nemotron Ultra affect you directly? Well, the reality is that many of the advances we're talking about today won't just remain in the hands of large corporations and research institutions. As the technology becomes more accessible, it's likely that we'll start seeing AI-powered tools that are tailored for individuals. From improving your home assistant to enhancing your personal devices, the Nemotron Ultra's capabilities will likely trickle down into consumer products, making everyday life a little bit smarter and more efficient. And here's the most exciting part. We're only scratching the surface. The launch of Nemotron Ultra is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more breakthroughs in processing power, energy efficiency, and versatility. This chip, while groundbreaking, is likely to be the first of many innovations that Nvidia will introduce in the years to come. The implications of this are mind-boggling. We're talking about a future where AI becomes an integral part of our lives, not just as a tool, but as a collaborator. So, where does this all lead? Well, if you're as excited about the future of AI as I am, then you know that we're entering an era of unprecedented technological growth. Nvidia's Nemotron Ultra is more than just a chip. It's a symbol of what's to come. It's proof that the world of AI is evolving faster than we can imagine, and it's only going to get more exciting from here. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or just someone who loves tech, one thing is clear. We are on the verge of something truly revolutionary. The future of AI is bright, and with the release of Nemotron Ultra, that future is now.